Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing all of these boxes from Amazon. Guys, I don't know what planet was in what house or what phase the moon was in, but for some reason, over the weekend, I just felt like buying everything that I've ever thought that I've ever wanted on Amazon. I don't know what happened and I didn't realize it was this much stuff. So I figured we would just do a major unboxing haul. And to be honest, I kind of forget a lot of the things that I purchased, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. So I'm actually recording this on Instagram Live, so if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do. My tag is at @HelloKristenTV. I'm always posting my shopping adventures, everything that I'm purchasing on Amazon. All of that stuff is always in my Instagram stories. I'm super active on there, so if you want to see like what I'm buying or what I like, what I'm trying out, definitely go over there and follow me. Again, my tag is at @HelloKristenTV. We also do some giveaways and some fun stuff, so be sure to follow me over there. Without further ado, let's get started. I had a package come in like 2 days ago, so I already opened it, not thinking I was gonna be making a whole haul video, so I'll start with those because they're really cool. First things first is this straw purse. I have seen these all over the place the last couple years and they have always been at least over $60. This one was only $23.99 on Amazon. I cannot believe it. It is so nice. I've been holding out on purchasing one of these because they were just really expensive and you can only wear it during the summer and you can only get it for like a couple outfits. It's not like super practical, but for $23, heck yes, I'm going to buy it. The inside, it's kind of small and you can see like there's a nice fabric on the inside. And by the way, guys, I'm going to Hawaii in like less than 2 weeks and I have a whole collaboration with Princess Polly coming out, and basically every outfit that I have is going to be from there, so definitely subscribe on Instagram because it'll be a good time. Okay, so this was number one, and also, by the way, links to everything will be in the description below. Okay, next on the list is this 20 pack of earrings. It came in this cute little case, and it's just a bunch of cheap little earrings. By the way, guys, on YouTube, I have Instagram Live going. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. They're so cute. I believe this was either $16.99 or $19.99. I started looking at this online and this one earring alone on Amazon was like $6.99 or $8.99, and then I saw it came in this huge pack of earrings, so I was like, I'll just get the huge pack. It's a little bit on the larger side, but I think it might look cute with some of my outfits. To be honest, there's a lot of them in here that I personally wouldn't wear, so I'll probably like gift them to some of my friends. So I usually don't purchase big earrings because I never think I'm going to wear them, so I think this is a good way for me to see if I'm going to actually like or wear some of these. All right, next on the list, it is this tape for your boobs. So if you have any shirts that is kind of see-through but you can't wear a bra with it, this has been amazing. It is better than using like those little pasty things, because if you've ever used the little pasty things, you can always see through it. They always make a weird line. They're not really good, but this is a tape and it lifts. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below. If you're interested, you can definitely go check it out. Highly recommend it. Much better than using any other kind of tape or pasties. Let's actually get into the haul now. So we'll start with this. I don't know what's in anything. All right, so this first package I bought, like I said, I'm going to Hawaii, so I bought some Amazon bathing suits. Okay, so the first one that I have is this really cool, trendy cheetah print. I love cheetah print. Honestly, I think cheetah print's one of the only like prints that actually looks pretty good on me. So I bought this one. It's strapless, and I got the same exact style in bright pink. And honestly, these are like really thick. There's no way these are gonna be like see-through or anything, so I'm excited to try these out. All right, here is one of the wigs. Guys, I'm not gonna, actually I'll open up the wigs for you so you can see what styles I got, but definitely make sure you're subscribed so that you can actually see the full try-on haul of the ones that I got. All I've ever wanted was like white hair. This is a little on the gray side. I don't know how much I'm actually gonna like that. The roots are like a little bit dark, but I guess we will try it on. Definitely subscribe because this is gonna be so fun. I'm so excited to try out all these wigs. What is this? Oh, I got a 3-pack of Apple Watch bands. These are great colors. I think all 3 of these were only $10.99. So I got this white one, this dusty rose pink one, and then this like tan, I think it's called sand. These are such great neutral colors for the Apple Watch. I'm so excited. Oh, I got a new mouse pad. It is so cool. It is a moon, but it's kind of like tie-dye colors. I absolutely love it. It is so great. So next on the list, I got this little gold iPhone stand for my desk. Really love it. It's really nice. However, it's not wireless. And so I have to run a cord up through here. I think I would just be happier with a wireless phone stand. So I just ordered one on Amazon. It was on sale for $23.99. So I'm gonna be returning this one, even though it's really nice and sleek. I really like it. I know that I'm gonna get annoyed with this cord. Okay, so this thing came all vacuum sealed, and I think I know what it is. So this is just a 2x3 rug that I got for my closet. This isn't as nice as the one that I bought from Burlington, but I was at Home Goods and I tried finding another nice fluffy white one, and they didn't have them anymore. This was $14.99 on Amazon, and it's, you know what, it's good enough quality for my closet. Now, next I got, to go with my mouse pad, I got a new little mouse, a white and gold mouse. Again, super excited to just spruce up my desk a little bit since I sit there literally like 12 hours a day. Also, to go with my Apple Watch bands, I found these little Apple Watch charms. Unfortunately, they were kind of expensive. I don't know that they're really worth it. These were like $14.99 or $13.99. But they're just little charms that you add onto your Apple Watch bands. All right, what's next? Let's do this one. Look at how cute this little box is that it came in. This is a window perch for Sharkbait. His broke a long time ago and I completely forgot to get him a new one. But this is like a little cat window perch. I will insert a picture of what it looks like in the actual final YouTube video. Oh, wow, these came in fast. I think I ordered this yesterday. This is a belt from Amazon. I've been trying to find some belts that look like this Pinterest post, and yeah, I just don't have anything like it. It's like actually perfect. Like the metal's not too shiny. And then another thing that I purchased on Amazon that I absolutely love is a belt hole puncher. It's one of those things that you don't know you need until you actually need it. And I've used it like 5 times since then, so definitely a good purchase. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. It's like $8.99 on Amazon. And I also got another belt, way different than that belt. This is like all I've ever wanted and I've never actually bought one. So this is the punk rock kind of belt. I've been going really grunge lately and I really love that look. Oh, okay, good. I thought this was gonna be way too long. Very excited. Finally, this is one of the things I can now cross off my list. I've had this on my list literally forever. Next on the list, another thing that I've been wanting to get for my pets forever is okay, well, I guess I have to put it together, but anyway, it is a drinking bowl, and there's like this little flower petal that pops up off of here, and the water flows down like a little stream, and it just like recycles the water, and it comes with some filtration pads too while it's recycling the water, so it doesn't like get gross. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I have no idea what's in here. We got these resistance bands. I had these before, I lost them, and I just purchased them again. It comes with these 5 different resistance bands. Comes with a nice little carrying case, and then you can just do like all kinds of exercises with it. I like to take these when I'm traveling. Trying to get in shape for 2020, that is my goal. Gonna get back on track. And this is the reason this package is so heavy. These are actually ankle weights. So these were actually a little bit expensive. These were $27.99 on Amazon. I got them because I purchased like a couple other like really crappy quality ones. They kept sliding off of my ankles, but these had really great reviews on Amazon. Throwing these on, even if you're just cleaning up stuff around your house, walking around. If I go to take the dog out for a walk, I am going to put these ankle weights on and use them. I actually saw a post where Selena Gomez wore ankle weights to Disneyland while she was walking around. I thought that was the most brilliant life hack ever. So I don't even care what I look like. I live in LA and people do crazy stuff all the time, especially for fitness. So I'm gonna definitely be wearing these all the freaking time. I bought the 5-pound one, so 5 pounds and 5 pounds. These will also make great like arm weights if I'm just sitting around in front of the TV, not doing anything. I can like multi-purpose these for so much stuff. Next box. So like I said, I am going to be doing an entire Amazon wig haul. I am so excited. So these are all of the wigs that came in. Guys, I went like way overboard, but the best part about buying wigs on Amazon is you can return them. I see so many people saying that they bought wigs on Wish or they bought them on like Alibaba, and they might be really cheap over there, but if you get it and you don't like it, which 90% of the time you're probably not gonna like it, you can't send it back there. It's like super hard. So you can get as many of these on Amazon as you want and then send them back if you don't like them. So like, yeah, I highly recommend doing that on Amazon. I'm not gonna open these here right now, but definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss this Amazon wig try on haul. Okay. Oh, another bathing suit. So this is the third and last bathing suit. Ooh. When I bought it on Amazon, I thought it was a lot more neon green than it is yellow. This is very highlighter yellow. This is really bright yellow. I wanted green. I don't know, we'll try it on and see how it goes. Okay, we got more wigs. Really? They used this giant box to put 3 things in it. Come on, Amazon. Not cool. 2 more wigs. I don't even know how many wigs I bought in total. Oh, we are down to like 3 more things. I'm kind of sad. More wigs. Oh my God. I need to count how many wigs I bought. Wow. Okay. Well, I'll just put these over here. Okay, guys. So for the wigs, I got, I'm so ridiculous. Why did I do this? I got a wig mannequin head because, all right, if I actually, first off, you can't just throw on a wig and not do anything to it and expect to like it. So I've watched many YouTube videos about it, and everybody has a freaking wig head. So I had to buy it. I don't know why. If we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it right? So this is a wig head. This was only like 20 bucks on Amazon too. And it comes with a clamp. So you put the head on the clamp so you can clamp it to your table. So you put the wig on and you can brush out the wig, you can style the wig, you can do whatever you want with it. You can put the pins in here to hold down the lace. I'm like kind of excited about it. That's what we got. I'm a ridiculous person. Why am I allowed to shop on Amazon? Are we done? Is that it? We just have this last one here, and I know what this is. So this is the very last thing. This is a puppy pad. It's a porch potty, whatever you want to call it, and this is fake grass. And I get it for Ollie so that I don't have to walk all the way down to the street every single time he has to go to the bathroom, because he has a very tiny bladder and he has to go out like literally 8 times a day. So I keep this out on my porch, and it has 3 different layers. So like there's the grass pad, and then like I don't even know what this is, and then there's the tray. And then what I do is I get a puppy pad and I put the puppy pad underneath this and between this one, so like stuff doesn't get all in the tray and then I have to clean and wash the tray all the time. The puppy pad actually catches most of the liquid, so that's perfect. I change that like every other day. And then I'll wash this like maybe once a week. Absolutely love this. And if you have a problem, like if you think that your dog won't use it, get a real plant, like one that smells like nature, and put that on the pad. So usually the dogs are looking for something that smells organic or like a tree or something, and then they know that it's safe to go there. So if you put a little like real plant or something on, then they can also have something to lift their leg up on and use this. That is how I trained Ollie. I get this maybe like 2 or 3 times a year because I just don't have a hose to spray it down, and it starts to, obviously it gets gross after a while, but definitely do the pee-pee pad hack and it will make it last a lot longer. They have different sizes. This is the large size and I recommend it for any size dog. Anyway, I buy this all the time. Link in the description below. And that is all I have for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Again, go follow me on Instagram to see how I am using all of this stuff, if I like it, if I don't. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed to see those wig videos and all of my other Amazon favorites, hauls, shopping sprees, all of this stuff, because honestly, I do this way more than I should. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was. Until next time.